All right, so Matthew's got everything disconnected, ready to drop the motor and tranny and driveline out. Now, what I love about the Mopars of this B-body era is that you can actually drop the entire motor, tranny, front end, driveline all in one fell swoop. So we actually fabricated a dolly to kind of set this up. So our next steps is to raise this up. Matthew's got everything loose and ready to go. We'll drop the car down on the dolly, remove all the hardware, and drop this down and raise the body up, and hopefully everything goes according to plan. So, but Matthew did a great job here. He's got the upper ball joints disconnected. We got all the brake lines off. He's got all of the electrical disconnected, radiator out. All the fluids are drained and ready to go. All the linkage is disconnected. So Matthew did a great job doing this throughout the week here. And now we're ready to raise this thing up, set it on the dolly, and get this thing out. Well, we got a few refinements to do on the dolly, just a minor tweak. Where the transmission support is, it's a little close. We're gonna move it back, but we'll get this out at least. Trying along with our first dolly. It's going okay so far. You're out. All right, let's go up, Bubba. Slowly, slowly. Go ahead. Go on. All right, there you have it. Check it out. Just a couple minor tweaks to the dolly, but look at how nice this comes out. I mean, this is so little brain damage. This is phenomenal. Really pleased how this went. Good job, Matthew. Nice job. Very impressed. Drivetrain's out. Oh, we gotta take that differential out, and a lot of trim. Gotta get the glass out yet, and we're ready to send this thing to the blaster pretty soon. Nicely done, son. Good job. Yeah. All right, so as you can see, we got the driveline out. Just one small little hitch here. We need to move this back like literally an inch. Not a big deal, but I gotta tell you, for dropping a driveline and a motor, tranny, and front end out in one piece, this is phenomenal. Really glad that we made this dolly. It's extremely easy to move around and all self-contained, which I like even more. So very pleased with how this went. No blood was shed, nothing fell off the lift. It was a good day. All right, so Matthew's got the rear end ready to come out. Again, we like things on wheels around here, so Matthew and I made up a little differential stand, if you will. So he's got the shocks out, brake lines, Emergency brake's disconnected. He's got all the shackles out. Alright, so Matthew's ready to run this up and we'll get the rear end out of this thing. Go ahead and run it up, Matthew. Good. As high as she goes. Good. As high as it goes. Good. Alright. Rear end's out. Good job, buddy. Good job. I like it.